Today's thought is, if you feel that you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand straight and wait for better days to come. So never lose your hope. Today's date is 7th of August and day is Friday. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to SHIVAJI Professional Tuitions online classes. Before starting our class, let's take 1 minute relief. So take your both hand like this and close your eyes. Now follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes, put down your both hands and be relaxed. So students, this is your first class of English literature class. Take out your English literature book. The name of the book is Rainbow. Snowdrops. Not rainbow, it's snowdrops. Okay? This is your book. Open it. And today we will discuss about chapter 5, Windy Night. You know what the word wind? Wind means air which blows. Air which wet. Wet means with the dews. I told it before, right? That means that is a little rain. That was not a high rain, that was a little rain. That was a breeze there. It seems like breezing. So look at A number option and tick that. When the fires are out, B number, when the people have put out the fires and have gone to sleep, that means that is a time of midnight. Okay, so tick B number options. Fourth number by at the gallop. The horseman rides by at a fast speed. The horseman rides slowly and carefully. No, he was not ride his horse very slowly. He was ride his horse very fastly. So A option is correct. In very first, B option is correct. And second, A option is correct. Third number, B option is correct. And in fourth number, A option is correct. After that, there are 3 questions. So we will provide you a PDF of this chapter exercise, and you have to complete that exercise with the help of this video and the PDF which I will give you. Let's move to another chapter, and that is launch corps. So this is chapter 6, launch corps, and page number 42. Page number 42, chapter 6, launch corps. First, I'm going to tell you the meaning of blonde here. Blonde used for those persons who have golden hairs. In foreign, even in India too, few people are there, and in foreign mostly people are there who have golden hairs. In India too, few people are here who have golden hairs. So a person with golden or pale yellow color hair, pale yellow approx golden, with the hair color of golden, that candidate is called blonde. And corpse. Corpse means, the meaning of corpse, a person who is interested in a detective post in police. They are called corpse. Detectives which are there in police also. Police detectives, they are called corpse. came out, the police person came out from the computer room, and then he patted the back of third person. How you recognized that person that he carried a contact lens. He was now the policeman was very glad to have this answer, but he wanted to be sure about the reason how he recognized the thing, which was very as we can say, that was very minor, right? According to us, this is very minor to recognize one thing, that any person is carrying a contact lens with him or not. So this was very hard with them also to recognize the person with a contact lens. Now third person replied that, and the police person was very glad with this answer. Now he asked back to the third person how he recognized it. Now the answer was that if a candidate had one eye, how could it possible to see the world? So he wore a contact lens for his comfort. That was also a very silly answer, and the police person was about to faint it, but he handled himself at that time. So the three blondes replied very silly to the policeman, and that was the chapter 6, blonde cops. Now I am going to explain this chapter in Hindi for your comfort. So let's start. Blonde cops. Cops वो लोग होते हैं
morning students, welcome to Student Group of Institutions online classes. This is your maths class and we are doing chapter 3 and the chapter name is operations on large numbers. Okay students, in our previous class we completed exercise 3K. I hope all of you have done your work and question number 1 to 10. Students, today we will start our next exercise 3L, and the topic is simplification. Okay students? Simplification. Okay students, we have many mathematical questions that we have a question 21 divided by 7 plus 2 minus 5. How can we simplify this question? We have a rule. With the help of this rule, we can simplify any mathematical question. Questions. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay students, with the help of this formula, this division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, we can simplify any question. Okay students, now let's have an example. Okay students, we have a question 21 divided by 7 plus 5 minus 2. With the help of this formula, first we divide. First division. Okay, first we divide the numbers. 21 divided by 7, 3. Next, multiplication. There are no multiplication sign. Okay, then addition. 3 plus 5 minus 2. That's third. 3 plus 5 addition, 5 plus 3 8 minus 2, and the last subtraction, 8 minus 2 6. Okay students, first we divide the numbers, then multiply, then add and subtract. Okay students, students, now come to our exercise 3L. Exercise 3L. Students, open your book and open page number 40 and come to question number first. Question number first is 8 multiply 15 divided by 3 plus 2, and we know the simplification rule. The division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we divide the numbers, then we multiply the numbers, then we add the numbers, and at last subtract the numbers. Okay friends, where is the division sign? 15 divided by 3. First we divide 15 by 3. 8 multiply 15 divided by 3. 3 times 15 plus 2. The second multiplication. Where is the multiplication sign? Here. 8 multiplied by 5. 8 5 is 40 plus 2, and the last one is addition. 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. Here the answer is 42. Just repeat the question. 8 multiplied by 50 divided by 3 plus 2. We have the simplification rule: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay students, first we divide the numbers. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Then we multiply the numbers. 8 multiplied by 5, 5 8 is 40. Then we add the number. 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. Okay students? Students, now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is 2 multiplied by 3 plus 6 minus 12 and divided by 4. Here the simplification rule: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we divide the numbers. Here we have the number 12 divided by 4. When we divide 12 by 4, 4 3 is 12. Okay students? Minus 3. When we divide 12 by 4, we got the number 3. Okay students? The second rule is multiplication. Here the multiplication sign: 2 multiplied by 3. 3 2 is 6. Okay students? Plus 6 minus 3. Okay? And the next sign is addition. Here the two numbers: 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 12 minus 3. The last one is subtraction. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. And the answer is 9. Okay students? Question number 3. Question number 4. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is 100 divided by 5 minus 20 plus 5 multiplied by 4. Okay students, the same formula and the same rule. When we first divide the numbers, 100 divided by 5 and we got the number 20. When we divide 100 by 5, we got the result 20. Okay, and we put the number as this. And the next one is multiplication. Okay, where is multiplication sign? This is the multiplication sign. 5 multiplied by 4. 20 minus 20 plus 5 multiplied by 4. 4 5 is 20. Okay, friends. Now next one is addition. Add the numbers. Students, listen. We can add the numbers with same sign. Okay. When we can add the number with same sign, means plus, where is 20 plus 20 minus 20. Okay, sir? Here 20 plus 20, 40 minus 20. And the last one is subtraction. When we subtract these numbers, 40 minus 20, and we got the result 20. Okay, understood? Now, next question number 6. Question number 6 is 35 minus 100 divided by 20 plus 2 multiplied by 5. Students, the same rule. First we divide the numbers. Here the division sign is here. 100 divided by 20 minus 100 divided by 20. 5, and we got the result 5 plus 2 multiply 5. Okay. Now we multiply the numbers. Here is the multiply sign. Here, this is the multiplication sign. Okay. Then we multiply these numbers. Plus 5 to the 10. Okay, students. Now the addition. Next, we add the numbers. We add the numbers with same sign, and 35 and 10. These are the numbers with same sign, and 5 is opposite sign. 35 plus 10, 45 minus 5, and last one is subtraction. 45 minus 5, 40, and the answer is 40. Okay, students. Question number 7, 8, 9 are same, and now come to question number 10. And the last question number 10. 60 minus 90 divided by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, students, 60 minus 90 divided by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Apply the same formula. Division. First we divide the numbers. Here is the division sign. 90 divided by 10. Okay, and we got the result 9. Next, multiplication. Here is the multiplication sign. 60 minus 9 plus multiply these numbers. 5 is a 15. Okay, friends. Next, we add the numbers. We add the numbers with same sign. Means 60 plus 15. These numbers are the same sign. Minus 9. Add these numbers. 60 plus 15. 75. 75 minus 9. 75 minus 9 means 66, and the answer is 66. Okay, students, your exercise 3L is completed, and our next exercise 3M. Students, we will start our next exercise, our next term. Okay, and your today's homework is, students, write down your homework. Do exercise 3I. Students, your today's homework is do exercise 3I. Okay.
Good morning, students. I welcome to your online classes. I am a computer teacher from SHIVAJI institution. Students, we have previous class. We have done this chapter number 2nd and chapter number 3. Today I will teach you chapter number 3 and chapter name Advanced Features in Word. Students, we have previous class use some points. You learned this chapter format, parental, superscript, subscript, shadow, so let's discuss about in these points. Take out your book and open your page number 36. Okay. Start reading. You can use various formatting options to enhance the appearance of text. Some of these are format painter, superscript, subscript, shadow, and so on. Format painter क्या होता है? You can use the format painter options to copy and apply the formatting from one piece of text in a document to another. To use the format painter option, follow this step. Number first, go and open and create a Word document. Number second, select the text from the document whose formatting you want to copy. Number third, click on the format painter in the clipboard group of the home tab. The mouse pointer changes to a brush-shaped pointer. Number 4. Apply the copied form by clicking and dragging the brush over the desired part of the document. Okay. Now next topic is there subscript and superscript. Subscript क्या होता है? Subscript options means the selected text smaller and lower than the main text in a document. For example, जैसे S2 होता है ना? जो ये S2 होता है, वो होता है हमारा सबस्क्रिप्ट. Computer, okay? The superscript option makes the selected text smaller and higher than the main text in the document. जैसे superscript क्या होता है? जैसे for example, a square होता है, जिसको बोलते हैं square. ठीक है? ये जो 2 होता है, वो हमारा क्या होता है? superscript. This is called of superscript. Okay, are you clear? To make selected text as subscript and superscript, follow this step. Number first, select the text that you want as subscript or superscript. Number second point, in the font group, click on the subscript or superscript option as required. ठीक है? Clear? See, जैसे for example, SGOI तो क्या है? Subscript. See, okay? And A square A तो क्या है यहाँ पर? Superscript. Are you clear? Apply shadow to text. You can apply a shadow to the selected text or shadow changes the look of the text. To apply a shadow to text, follow this step. Number first is select the text. Number second, click on the text effect and typography option present in the font group of the home tab. Drop down and appears. Number third, hover on the shadow option. Click on the desired option from the sub menu to apply shadow to the text. Okay. Now next is find option. You can use the find options to find a particular word in a document. To use the find option, follow this step. Number first point is here. Click on the find option present in the editing group of the home tab. Are you clear now? Next point is there. Type the word that you want to search in the search box. The word gets highlighted in the document at each occurrence. Replace option. You can use the replace option. Replace a word with another word in the document. Same as it is steps. Okay. Now next is working with shapes. Working with shapes. You can insert shapes in a document such as rectangular circle, arrow lines or so on. Word has various ready-made shapes. Okay. Number first is click on insert tab. Second, click on shapes. Third, click on shapes from the list. The mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Number 4, keep the left button of the mouse pressed as you drag the pointer to drag the shape. Student, see here list of shapes. ये होते हैं सारे shapes के जो भी आपको shapes को भी select करने होते हैं वो सारे shapes यहाँ होते हैं. ओके, shapes में जब आप shapes पे click करेंगे तो बहुत सारे shapes आपको बाहर निकल के आएंगे. रेक्टेंगुलर शेप अगर आपको चाहिए, बेसिक शेप चाहिए या ब्लॉक एरोज चाहिए. ठीक है. Now next is changing style. To change the style of a shape you have drawn, follow this step. Number first, select the shape. Number second, in the shape style group, select any option. The color of the shape will change as you hover the mouse on different options. Now third point is here. You can click on more arrow to open a list of more style. Choose the desired style from the menu bar. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, बहुत सारी डिजाइन होती हैं. ये पेज लेआउट में ये शेप्स स्टाइल होती है. ठीक है. और ये बहुत सारे यहाँ पे कलर्स होते हैं. चेंज, इसमें आप चेंज कर सकते हो जो भी आपको स्टाइल करना होता है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज चेंजिंग आउटलाइन. अब आप आउटलाइन कैसे, जो बॉर्डर होता है उसको आप कैसे चेंज करेंगे. टू चेंज द follow this step. पहले आप क्या करेंगे, select the shape में जाएंगे. Number second, click on the shape outline option. A drop down menu appears. Number third, choose an outline color from the menu. Fourth number, select the type of outline from the grid and dash option. Okay. Now next is apply shape efforts. To apply different efforts to a shape such as shadow, reflection, glow and so on. Number first is select the shape. Number second, click on the shape efforts option. Number third is choose the desired shape effect from the menu. Inserting text box. To insert the text box, follow this step. Number first, click on the shapes option of the group on the insert tab. Second, select the text box option from the basic shapes. Okay. Student, you have done this chapter number 3 and some point is there. In this chapter, you can use the format method option to copy and apply the formatting from one piece of text in a document to another. Now, second point is there. You can use the find option to find a particular word in a document. Third, you can use the replace option to replace a word with another word in a document. You can insert various ready-made shapes in a Word document. Okay. So students, note down homework. Revise chapter 3rd and do exercise in book. Okay, and thank you for the end of the class.